Hola! Thank you for coming in this webinar. My name is Coach Mark Manaog. I'm happy to see you. You are here. So if you're looking for another source of income and you want to start your online business, you are in the right webinar. So what you're gonna do is finish this webinar because we're giving you a lot of bonuses in this platform. Are you excited? Can you comment down below if you're excited to our webinar for today? So what you will discover in this platform. Number one, you will discover how these powerful products help you to recover in any sicknesses. Lesson number two, how this online platform help you to have a financial freedom. Lesson number three, how you get your income in this online platform. This webinar is for you if you want to have a consistent additional income using your online business. Okay? This webinar is for you if you want to quit your 9 to 5 job or the rat race cycle and you want to make money. This webinar is for you if you want to build a financial wall to secure your family future without waiting your retirement. Welcome to MSI Digital System, the new wave of building wealth and asset in the new era of virtual entrepreneur. My name is Coach Mark Manaog. I'm your speaker for today. I'm doing this business for the past 10 years and right now, I'm happy to share with you all the information about this platform. By the way, we are connected with a strong and stable company. Name is Empowered Consumerism. Empowered Consumerism started last 2006 and right now we are already 18 years in the market serving good products, and also we have 250 offices in the Philippines. And at the same time, we created 25,000 millionaires from different countries, from different walks of life for the past 18 years. We are already expanded in 29 countries. We have actively offices in 29 countries. But the good news is this business can operate even we don't have office in that country. Why? Because this is an online business. So it means our business is already totally expanded in 200 countries. Guess what? Our company, Empowered Consumerism, is top 12 taxpayer in the Philippines. And we have over 15 million distributors around the globe. Yes, around the globe, we have partner in Africa, we have partner in South Pacific, we have partner in Middle East, we have partner in Asia, and also we have partner in Europe. We provide health and wellness and insurance protection products. So if you're looking for healthy products to help your health and to have a good health, this webinar, this platform is for you. So what is the requirements for you to start in this platform? Number one, the requirement is only mobile phone. Number two is laptop. If you have laptop, it's optional only. But the most important is you have Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi or data connection. So if you have mobile phone, if you have internet, you are already qualified in this platform. If you have laptop, much better. But if you don't have laptop, it's okay. You can start this platform. You will learn here how to earn money through smartphone without having technical skills or any experience. Means you don't need higher education to start this platform. You don't need a lot of experience to start this platform. Why? Because in this platform, we help you how you can start your business step by step. Okay? So, MSI Digital System is a home-based business. Home-based business means you can do your business inside of your home, in your room, in your comfort, in your sofa. You can do your business. So you don't need to put one office to start a business or online business because this is a home-based business. Number two, MSI Digital System is a commission-based. Commission-based means you are the one to decide how much do you want to earn in this platform. Number three, MSI Digital System is portable. Anywhere is any place is your workplace. Means even you are in the beach, even you are in the office, you are in the house, you are wherever you are right now, you can do your business because this business is portable. Okay? Number four, MSI Digital System is copy-paste system. All scripted is provided for you. So it's very easy to start in this platform. It's very easy to start earning in this platform. Stay tuned. Just finish this webinar until the end. Why? Because we're giving you a lot of technology, a lot of system, and also you get in the end of the webinar, you get the bonuses. You want bonus? Yes, of course, you want bonus. So what you gonna get in this platform? Number one, you get a products worth of 930 PG dollar, I mean. So the products of you, the products that you can get is this. You get this is the package that you need to buy, and inside of the package you see a lot of products. You see the products of Burn Slim, you see the products of Coolidus, complete products good for the pregnant women, iGlow soap good for glass skin if you want whitening skin, deepnessing whitening bar good for blackheads, whiteheads in your face, oxygen bar is good for men. And also we have the D Supreme is a vitamin D3, and also we have Angel E good for women only. Yeah, if you are experiencing a dysmenorrhea, Angel E is good for you. And also we have iGlow 24/7. iGlow 24/7 is a collagen. So collagen, if you want to look young, and yeah, even you are already old and you want to look young, you can try this iGlow 24/7. Why? Because iGlow 24/7 is help you to look young and to younger again, right? So also we have the C Supreme products. C Supreme products is vitamin C. Vitamin C that help you to boost your immune system. The moment you boost your immune system, that protects you from any viruses that coming to your body. So, and also good for the high blood, good for the blood sugar. So that's a good products, vitamin C. Also, we have Keto 24/7 for children. So if you have children right now that your children don't want to eat vegetables, this Keto 24/7 is a gummies. So it's like like a candy only, but it's a health candy, right? Healthy because this Keto 24/7 is a multivitamins already. Okay, also you can get the energy diffuser. Energy diffuser is anti-radiation. You can put in your cell phone, you can put in your laptop, in your TV to reduce the radiation of every device that you have. Also, we have a Burn Slim. Burn Slim if you want to lose your weight, right? If you want to have a sexy body, yeah, so you can use the Burn Slim. Coolidus products is good for the heart and also good for the eyesight, and also good for high blood and stroke. So Coolidus and complete and all the products that we have is very powerful that can help you to have a good health. I mean, yeah, if you want to maintain your health, you are already old, like 50 years old, 40 years old, you need to maintain your health by taking a food supplement. So this product is a food supplement. By the way, this the people that who already discover this product and experience the power of the products. Let's watch this video.
My right hand was very sore, numb, and heavy. I think that was since 2019, so it's been years. I hardly dress myself, hardly fix my hair, and also hardly hold stuff in my right hand. I can never lift up even the lightest thing to hold to carry. I was suffering for years from diabetes in my right hand. So when this guy introduced this product to me, September 2021, I prayed to God. I asked God, if this is the treatment for my sickness to heal, please let me take this. Even though I know I cannot afford it. That's when I received this product. I start taking it. Within the 2 weeks of taking this 24/7, I went to my doctor's appointment to check on my blood sugar again. Next day, my doctor called and said, I'm so happy for you. You get to know how to control and maintain your blood sugar. It's because of C24/7. My diabetes went back to normal. My blood sugar went back to normal. he said it's going to 122nd minute class. Also, after 2 weeks of taking this drug, I get to lift up my right hand. The soreness, the numbness, and the heaviness was gone. Now I can lift up my hand. You can see it, but before I cannot. So, friends and families, whoever been suffering for all kinds of sickness, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, whatever sickness you have, see 24/7. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a very powerful testimony. Thank you, Coach Tristan Rain. So thank you for sharing your experience about the products. So let's watch another video. That's testimony of our products.
Hello everyone. I just want to explain about this tablet. This tablet always give me a better life. I got a cancer, lung cancer, but it's going to my brain, it's going to my bone, it's really going to my blood, but I'm happy to find this tablet. They make me better. They make me everything is gone. Now you can see me. I'm get better now. Everything is all right for me. I'm happy to have this tablet. It's work to my body, to my blood. I thank you for the company to send this tablet to me. Before I'm suffer, Joanne can know when she saw me I'm suffer. It's like I'm skinny. It's like I'm not really well. Now I thank you for Joanne, for friend with her. Then she explained to me about the company and the tablet. Thank you so much, Joanne guy, for sending to me the tablet. I thank you for the company to give it everybody this tablet. Please, if you didn't trust these people or the company or this tablet, please just see me. I was suffer for the cancer. I got a lung cancer, but now I'm get better. Please buy this tablet. It's good for you, for your health. Everything is work for this tablet. You throw it away, the drugs. You have it, they give it to you in the hospital. But this tablet is true tablet. It's work to myself and my body. Thank you so much, Joanne guy. Thank you so much for the company. They look after me. But I'm really happy. Now I'm got life again and I'm look young again. This the tablet I got it. Thank you so much, everybody.
Yeah, that's a Coach Salome that's experiencing the lung cancer, and she recovered from lung cancer because of our product C24/7 complete products, and also the C Supreme. So this is a very powerful product. So what you gonna get again in this platform? You're gonna get also a 25% up to 30% discount of every products that you want to buy. Yes, everyday sale in this platform. So the moment you register in this business, you get the 25% lifetime. Yes, lifetime. Even you already pass away, your family member can enjoy the 25% discount. Why? Because this platform is transferable. Yeah, you heard right. You can transfer to your family member, to your daughter, to your son, this platform. And also, if what you're gonna get also is digital account. Okay? If you have already part of this business, you have a username and password. You can open your account in our website, easy5.empoweredconsumerism.com. And this look like your account. Yeah, as you see, you can see your income. You can see a lot of options, the transaction, encashment. So all the details, and this is the monitoring of your business. This is a secretary online. So you can monitor what happened to your business, and also you can see your income. So that's the sample or look like of your digital account. Okay? And what you're gonna get again? The MSI appointment scripts and also 30 days content templates. Yes, you heard right. We give you a system. We give you scripts, what you gonna do and what you gonna post in your Facebook account. We guide you until you become successful in this platform. And the good news is not only that. Why? We give you also a modules and training. So we have a different trainings. We have module 1, the success formula. That's I'm the speaker in that training. We have module 2. Maybe you can Coach Glisel can assist you about the module 2, how to set appointment. Coach Glisel is a former sales lady, but right now is very successful in this platform, earning 6-digit to 7-digit income in this platform. Also, module 3 by Alin Capistrano, before is working as a factory worker, but right now is very successful in this platform. Also, we have a success formula with Daisy Tinoy. Daisy Tinoy is also a factory worker, but right now driving own car because of this online platform. Also, we have module 5, NECO, change your mindset. Of course, by starting business, you need to change your mindset also. So we can help you about that with Coach Isa Rayos, can help you to change what your mindset right now for you to become successful in business. So these people, this every person, they have a very long years experience in this platform, and they can help you to become successful in this business. And also, we have Inspiring Wednesday. The moment you earning already in this platform, like this sister Salome Colata from Nadi PG Island. Coach Salome is earning 76,000 pesos in just 2 days in this platform using this MSI digital system. Coach Salome is a widow already. Yeah, he's a she is a full-time wife, and right now doing this business as a full-time also. But right now, even she stay at home, right now is still earning in this platform. So Inspiring Wednesday, maybe you are the one to share what your success to other people, right? So we have modules and trainings for you to develop yourself, for you to get your success in this platform. Also, we have MSI Digital Ecosystem. MSI Digital Ecosystem is help you and all the team that we have, thousands of members of this team, of this platform, can help you to become successful in this platform. Means this is a helping business, brother and sister. So don't worry if you don't know this business. Don't worry if you don't have idea. Why? Because me and our teams can help you to become successful in this business step by step. Okay? Also, these the people who already received their packages from different countries. We have partners from PG Island. We have partners from Samoa. We have partners from Guam. We have partners from Nauru Island, from New Zealand. They get their packages. This not all the people, because we have a lot of partners that already received their packages from our system. Yes, from their coaches, from their sponsors. Okay, so that's the people that they receive their packages. Okay, so what you need in this platform for you to start earning a commission? Okay, to earn a commission, what you need is only the user ID. User ID, the user ID is the way to earn a commission in this platform. As you see, the ED320763, that's the user ID. You need to have that. Okay, the good news is, maybe your question is right now, how can I get that user ID? So later on, I explain to you how you can get the user ID. Just finish this webinar and I share to you all the details how you can get the user ID. Okay? User ID is very important because you can use that to earn a commission in this platform. Like these people, Sister Beth earning 22,230 pesos part-time doing this platform. Also, this brother Asiri from PG Island earning 11,400 pesos in just one day. Imagine that in Fiji, that's if you convert that amount, that's a like a 400 PG dollar. You know, in PG, the normal income, I think, in PG is $300 per week. But this brother earning $400, 11,400 convert in PG dollars, $400 in PG in just one day. Imagine that. Also, we have this brother Joy Lee from Suba, PG Island, earning 6,800 pesos in just one day doing this online platform. Not only that, we have also Sister Colata, stay home, now full-time as a digital setter, earning 2,450 PG dollar. Also, this brother Kilipi Colata, a teacher, head teacher in Labasa, right now earning 1,700 PG dollar in just one day. Also, this brother Imrani, retired teacher, earning 2,000 Fiji dollar in this platform. Also, we have Paul Seaman, part-timer in this platform, earning 7,203 PG dollar. Also, we have another partner from Kiribati Island, working in Australia, earning 529 Australian dollar as a part-time. This sister from Tuvalu, working in New Zealand, earning 664 as a part-time. And this sister from Nauru Island, earning 1,747 Australian dollar doing this business part-time. And also this Mulimau, earning 1,155 Australian dollar doing this online business. Maybe your question right now is how they earn money, how they can get that amount, how they can do the business and earn that amount. Yes, maybe that's your question. If that's your question, right now, let's go to the lesson number 2, how you can earn money in this platform. Are you excited? Let's go to the lesson number 2. Now, this is the 4-step system. 4-step system is, the first step is you need to register in this platform. You need to become a member of this platform. After you become a member, what you're gonna do is, your job is setting appointment. Setting appointment for all your friends to our live webinar. By the way, we have live webinar via Zoom every Tuesday, every Thursday. And also we have live webinar almost every day. You can forward this link to your client and they can watch the webinar. Also, if they watch the webinar and they avail the package, step number 3, if they avail the package and they like to start the business, that's the moment you can earn a commission. How much the commission? 200 PG dollar, 400 PG dollar, 800 PG dollar, and 1,200 PG dollar. Take note, this unlimited income commission. So this means, again, you are the one to decide how much you want to earn. So what you're gonna do is, by setting appointment, brother and sister, imagine you can earning 200 PG dollar, 400 PG dollar, 800 PG dollar, 1,200 PG dollar just by setting appointment. You don't need to explain everything. I'm the one to explain to them. Okay? And also you get a bonus of 72 PG dollar. The moment you get 2 people, you have bonus of 72 PG dollar. Now let me explain to you more clearly. Now this is the system. Okay, the moment you start in this platform, you have account. And the good news is you can get another free 2 accounts. So this means you have 3 accounts. So in direct referral income or direct income, every people you're earning 200 PG dollar. If you set 1 people in our webinar and they buy a package, you earn how much? 200 PG dollar every people. So if you get 4 people, means you earning how much? 200 PG dollar times 4. That's total of 800 PG dollar. Do you get me? In 4 people, you earn 800 PG dollar. What if you get 4 people in just one day? Means you earning $800 in one day. What if you get 4 people in 1 week? Means you earning $800 in 1 week. It's more bigger than the regular income of $300 in your country in Fiji Island, right? And also you get a bonus. This is the good news. You get another bonus. Why? Because if you have people in left sales group, if you have people in right sales group, you earn another bonus of how much? 72 PG dollar. Now, let me explain to you more clearly. Okay, let's say this is your first account. Okay, first account, the guy that holding the laptop. That's let's say that's you. You have left group and you have right group. So in your right group, you have two people. In your right group, in your left group, you have two people. In your right group, you have two people again. This means you can earning how much? 72 times 2. How much? That's 144 PG dollar. And the good news is account number 2, you earn again. Why? Because in account number 2, you have another 1 people in left, 1 people in right, earning another 72 PG dollar. In account number 3, you have 1 people in left and 1 people in right, another 72 PG dollar. Means number 2 and number 3, you earning another 72 PG dollar. Imagine 144 PG dollar plus 72 PG dollar plus another 72 PG dollar. How much? That's 288 PG dollar. Now let's do the math. 800 PG dollar plus 288 PG dollar. How much? Can you comment down below? How much? That's 1,088 PG dollar. Just getting for people only. You do only is by setting appointment. Okay? Just setting an appointment. Remember, your job only is setting a point to the webinar. You don't need to explain everything. You don't need to explain to them. Why? Because that's my job. I'm the one to explain the business to them. Right? So your job only is by setting appointment to the webinar. And you're earning 1,088 PG dollar in just maybe 1 week, maybe 1 day. Right? That's the potential income that you can get. Now, let me explain to you more. Right? So, what if you get 10 people? How much you can earn? You can earn 2,664 Fiji dollar. What if you get 20 people? You can earn 5,474 Fiji dollar. What if you get 30 people? You can earn 8,137 Fiji dollar. What if you get 40 people? You earn 10,946 PG dollar. Brother, what if you get 50 people? How much your income? 12,887 PG dollar. Imagine if you have 12,887 dollar in your bank account, in your wallet right now. What you gonna do in that amount? What you gonna buy in that amount? You have 12,887. Imagine that. Imagine right now you have 12,887 in your bank account. What you gonna do? What you gonna buy? Right? It's a big amount of money. And the good news is, it's not stopping there. Why? Because the moment you have 50 people under your organization, they do the business together, same as you do. So your income is going bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Every single day, you can earn bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger by setting appointment only. Right? So that's the potential income that you can get. Okay, are you with me? Yeah, comment down below if you want to earn 12,887 PG dollar. Right? So by the way, there is some people from the Philippines that earning money in this platform. This is a Sister Glisel Largado, a former sales lady in the Philippines right now, earning 150,000 pesos, 25 years old, earning that amount. This Sister Pati Matinoy earning 120,000, 18 years old. This Jam Barkila earning 90,000 pesos. Allen Capistrano earning 106,000. Daisy Danoy earning 180,000, former factory worker. Isa Rayos earning 450,000 pesos using this online platform. Lebet Ampere earning 80,000 pesos before earning 10,000 pesos right now. 80,000 pesos in just 1 month. This me, Mark Manaog, earning 540,000 pesos. I'm former factory worker. I earned 15,000 pesos before per month, and right now, that's my income. And also, we have partner Coach Yibe earning 8,000, 7,800. We have also partner teacher for 3 years earning 124,000. Teacher earning 288,000. Almost, 7-digit, 6-digit income as a teacher before, right now full-time in this platform. So that's how powerful our system. And also we have partners from Papua New Guinea, earning 2,200 kina, earning 1,180 kina, earning 820 kina, earning 480 kina, earning 240 kina, 240 kina, earning 120 kina, and earning 492 kina using this online platform. Maybe you're thinking right now, I can earn too in that platform. The answer is yes, you can earn in this platform the moment you try this business. Okay, so what you gonna do? Try this business. So the question is how I can get my income. If I earn 10,000 PG dollar or 12,000 PG dollar, how can I get my income? You can get your income by your BDO MasterCard. Yes, we send you the BDO MasterCard and you can withdraw your income in your country, in any bank in your country, ENS Bank, Westbank, or a BSB Bank, you can withdraw your income, right? So, this is a weekly payout, brother and sister. Okay, weekly payout, you can withdraw your income every week in your bank account, but you can earn every day. Yes, you can earn every day, but the withdrawal is every week in your country. Yeah, so again, these the people that already withdraw the money from using this MSI digital system. This is a brother Asiri earning 11,400 and he already withdraw the money. Let's watch this video.
10,400. Okay, we can click the in cash. 10,400. And then we can click your video ATM. So we can click the in cash. So as you can see, that's your account number. So we can proceed.
A few moments later.
Kartu ni withdraw. Alak ng na cash, gurin bedo jengkor, ko na mateng nong withdraw na video yung Mastercard. Abal. Ko na withdraw lang mga ni video minute sauti, alo richo na kene video iliu. Obe tomanangan di bikim ni ko na labo datangin na video Mastercard, obe para takalan di bikim ni. Misalnya ni kalau stake ni kandina, siang tangan ni may scam e kandina. Sa vanini binagtuan sa kalungata, hindi ba din tok, pinabali.
Yes, that's a very powerful. Congratulations, Brother Asiri, for your income. More income to come. Yes. And also, we have partner from PG also, Sister Beth. And this is a second withdrawal of Sister Beth. Just watch this video.
Okay, hi viewers. I'm going to make another window. This is going to be my second withdrawal in using this BDO MasterCard from this M Global Alliance business. Thank you, M Global. This is for my land. Come on, everyone, come and join me. This is legit.
Yeah, that's a very powerful testimony from Sister Beth and withdrawing second withdrawal in this platform. And also, you see, a lot of people also withdraw their income using the ATM MasterCard. You see the holding their card, that's color blue card, the BDO. That's the ATM MasterCard that you can get. Yeah, so it's very powerful. Now, let me remind you what you're gonna get in this platform. Okay, number one, you're gonna get products worth of 930 PG dollar. Number two, you get a 25% to 30% discount. Number three, you get digital account. If you create a digital account by your own, that's worth of 1,150 PG dollar. You get also content in scripts, and that's worth of 900 PG dollar. Also, you get the modules and trainings. If the masterclass, people that teach you is a very successful in this platform, If you attend to other coaches, other platform, you can pay 1,800 PG dollar. But here, you need to pay is only is very lower. Later on, I explain to you. You get also MSI ecosystem. MSI ecosystem is a very powerful system that ready for you. That's worth of 2,300 PG dollar. Also, you get the ATM MasterCard and digital system. MSI digital system that's worth of 4,600. So the good news is you don't need to think what the system. You don't need to think what you're gonna do. Why? Because we have already MSI digital system that can help you. If you pay that, that's worth of 4,600 PG dollar. So the value of your package, of your all the benefits that you can get is 11,680 PG dollar. But the good news is you don't need to pay that amount. Why? Because $11,680 is the value of your package. Supposed to be that's the amount you need to pay. But the good news is, again, if you finish this webinar, I'm giving you a lot of bonuses. And this is start right now. Okay? Are you still watching? Are you still watching? You want bonus? Comment down below, I want bonus. So, 11,680. The question again is, do I need to pay that amount, 11,680 PG dollar? The answer is, you don't need to pay that amount. Why? Because you need to pay only is how much? How much? That's only 1,200 PG dollar. From 11,000 PG dollar, you need to pay only is 1,200 PG dollar. You save almost 10,400 PG dollar, right? So you save a lot, brother and sister. You save a lot. From 11,680, you need to pay is only 1,200 PG dollar. But wait, not only that. Why? Since you are still here in this webinar, I give you another bonus. Okay, I give you another bonus. You don't need to pay 1,200 PG dollar if you start today. Okay, if you start today or tomorrow morning, you don't need to pay 1,200 PG dollar. How much you need to pay? It's only 1,100 PG dollar. Why? Because you get a discount of 100 PG dollar. That's a limited offer only. Okay? It's a limited offer only for you. From 1,200 PG dollar, you don't need to pay 1,200. You get another discount of 100 PG dollar. So you need to pay only is how much? 1,100 PG dollar. Imagine, from 11,680, you need to pay only is how much? 1,100 PG dollar. And you can get all the benefits that I explained to you. The system. You don't need to think about the system. You don't need to think about the products, the support of our team. The shipment fee is already free for that amount, 1,100 PG dollar if you start today or tomorrow. Now, what if you don't start today or tomorrow and you start in the next day? In the next day, you pay the irregular amount of 1,200 PG dollar. Are you with me? So much better you start early. You get the discount. It's a very big discount, 100 PG dollar. Now, a lot of people is asking, how can I send my money? How can I send my payment? Okay, you can send your payment by this transferring money. We have MoneyGram, we have Western Union. If you are from New Zealand or Australia, you can use MoneyGram and Western Union. But you stay in PG, you use the PayPal because PayPal is the fastest way to send your payment. If you have MasterCard from M-Pesa, you have MasterCard from M-Pesa, you can connect your PayPal account to your M-Pesa card. So you can transfer your money from your M-Pesa using MasterCard, using PayPal to my PayPal account. Okay? You can use also the Word Remitly apps or ANC Bank by online banking, Wise app if you're staying in New Zealand, or also you can use the American Express or Visa card. Okay? So that's how you can send your payment. So by the way, this is our team that can help you. These are the people that can help you to to build your team, to build your business, to build your organization, and to help you to grow in this platform. So these are Solarians Empire community that help you in this platform. Okay? So, coaches, brother and sister, congratulations for finishing this webinar. Again, you can get a lot of discount the moment you finish this webinar. Did you know last year Netflix earned 25 billion without owning theaters? Yeah, they don't make movies. They don't have theaters, but they earning 25 billion dollar last year 2023. Uber earning 9.9 billion without owning any cars. Yes, Airbnb made 9.9 billion without owning any houses and also hotels. DoorDash made 2.2 billion without owning any restaurant. How they earn that amount of money? How they earn that amount of income? Airbnb, they don't have houses but they earn 9.9 billion dollar. Imagine that is how big money that, right? Without owning any products, without owning any company, you have potential to earn 6-digit to 7-digit income. This called the sharing economy. You don't need to build your own company or invest a lot of money. You can become a partner of empowered consumerism even without a large capital. Yes. How much is only 1,200 PG dollar? If you start today, you get discount of 100 PG dollar. Only 1,100 PG dollar. You can become a partner of empowered consumerism in that small amount, right? To earn extra income. In addition to significant savings, you can have savings. You can get from using its products. And the good news is, if you do this business seriously, you can have a great chance to prosper. You don't need to own anything to make money. You don't need to own a company. You don't need to own a products. You don't need to think what is the system. You don't need to think what is the products. Why? Because we provide that for you. You don't need to own anything to make money. Make a lot of money by helping a lot of people. That's called sharing economy. Okay? So, me, brother and sister, I don't own a products. I don't own a company. But I earn 2.6 million pesos using this online platform. How that powerful system that we have, the MSI digital system. Without owning company, I don't own the company. I don't own the products. I don't need to think about the products. Why? Because empowered consumerism is the one to think about that. My job only is just promoting. My job only is just setting appointment. I earn 12.6 million pesos. Imagine, if I working in my company, I can't earn that amount, right? Because I earn only 10,000 pesos in the Philippines. Yeah, so that's only like $400 per month in your currency, in PG dollar, right? But me, in using this platform, using my laptop, using my cell phone, I earn 12.6 million pesos already. Total commission in this platform. And right now, as I check my account, I have balance of 159,000 pesos in my account. That's income just today. Just today, right? Just today only, starting 1 a.m. in the morning. And right now, it's already 2 p.m. in the Philippines. I earned that from 1 a.m. in the morning until 2 p.m. 159,000 pesos. And remember, I don't own anything. I don't own products. I don't own company. But I earn 6-digit to 7-digit per month. That's how powerful the system that we have. Every people, they think starting business, they need first is money. Yeah. Every people, they think that to start a business, they need money. The first thing that you need is money. Yes, you need money, but that's not the first thing that you need. Why? Because the first thing that you need to start a business idea. You need to have idea. What is the business that you need to do? What is the business that I need to put up? What is the products? But the good news is, in MSI digital system, we have already giving you idea, the system, complete system. Just paying how much? 1,200 PG dollar. And if you start today, you get another discount of 100 PG dollar. You need to pay only 1,100 100 PG dollar. Now, what's your long-term problem? Brother and sister, what's your long-term problem right now? Maybe your long-term problem is money, maybe or health. But most of our people, their long-term problem is money. Why you working right now? How many years you working right now? But still you don't have savings. Not all, maybe you have savings right now, but most of people, the problem is money. Now, what is the long-term solution for money? Starting opportunity like this, right? Because we have 4 kinds of source of income. Many people believe the solution to money problem is to get a job, right? So we have 4 kinds of income. We have four source of income: employee, self-employed, business, and investment. Who the people who earn more money? Employee, self-employed, business, or investment? Of course, business and investment, right? You can become more successful in the short of time if you go to business and investment. Don't get me wrong, in employee you can earn. Yes, you can become a successful, but you need to wait a long term, right? So if you want to get a successful in the short of time, you can go to investment and in a business, right? So I see this quotes from one of the billionaire from China, right? So bananas or money. Jack Ma, the wealthiest man in China, once said, if you put bananas and money in front of the monkeys, monkeys will choose bananas because monkey do not know the money can buy a lot of bananas. In reality, if you offer a job and business to the people, they choose job because most of people do not know the business can bring more money than wages. Profit is better than wages. Income from business is more better from your salary. From wages can make you a living, but profits can bring you a fortune. So you can become more successful. That's from one of the wealthiest man in China, Jack Ma. Jack Ma business is Alibaba. It's a business. It's an online business. It's a very big online business. Imagine that. So financial problem can seem overwhelmed, but the best way to overcome is to create multiple source of income. Yes, to create a multiple source of income, you need to go to the business. But in a traditional business, you need to pay a lot. But here in MSI Digital System, all the products, all the system is already prepared for you in the lower price, right? Multiple source of income does not mean getting multiple job. You need a system, right? You just need a system can give you multiple income. MSI Digital System, all you need is already here. Trainings, program, system in online. We have support, team support for you. We have a good products. We have a good system that can help you to earn more using your social media accounts at your free time. Okay, yes, you can do this business as a part-time. Okay, so again, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, Warren Buffett said, Warren Buffett is 128.3 billion US dollar net worth. He said, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you will work until you die, right? So if you don't want that, find opportunity to make money even you're sleeping. MSI Digital System can help you for that. Just starting or buying your package. Buy your package right now. How much? It's only 1,200 PG dollar. If you start today, you get to pay only is 1,100 PG dollar. After you send your money right now or today, we send your package also in the same day via DHL. Then you can receive your package in your country. If you're from Nadi, you only receive your package only in 5 days. If you're from Suba, it's only 6 days. If you're from Labasa, you can receive your package in maximum 10 days. So after you send your payment right now, I ship your package directly to your country via DHL. So what you're gonna do right now, message the people or the person who sent the link, this webinar link to you. Your pay only is how much? From 11,680 PG dollar, right now it's only 1,100 PG dollar if you start today. Okay? So again, my name is Coach Mark Manaog and I'm happy and very excited to work with you in this platform. I'm very excited that I can mentoring you, I can help you how you can get your success step by step. So send a message to the people who send the link to you. Chat them, back to them right now, and yeah, start buying your package. Congratulations, my name is Coach Mark Manaog. I'm your online coach. God bless and binaka for watching.